Hi guys, I am Evasan Paul, and in this video today I'll be showing you how to create a change of ownership using the ChatGTP and the Microsoft Word. And first of all, I've outlined exactly what I really want or what my details are on the Microsoft Word. I have the car details, the model, okay, the rec number, registration, okay, engine number, chassis number. Then I have owner details. I have my name. I have a name here for the owner, the address. I also have the buyer details, the name. I have the address, and I have the amount of which I want to sell this car. And then I also instruct, say, both parties should sign. Okay, here it did, and also instructs that both parties should sign, and also both parties witnesses should also sign and include their address, occupation, and phone number. So now let's move to ChatGPT and tell it what to do and how to tell it what to do or what we want. So immediately I'll move to my ChatGPT right here, which you can see some random set or instructions I'm giving to this ChatGPT to give me what exactly I want. So here I'm using the version 3.5, the free version, and here you can see how can I help you today. All right, I want you to help me do this. I want you to help me with this single task. So for me to begin, I will type, since I'm creating a change of ownership, I just instruct ChatGPT, say okay, say write a change of ownership, for me with these details. Alright, so I'll add in my quotation mark, or my quotation sign rather, select everything right here. Now to select is either you click, hold your mouse and drag it downwards, okay, or you can still do Ctrl A. Since we are selecting everything, I'll go ahead and copy it by right clicking. I'll say copy, then move down to my ChatGPT. So here you can as well type everything here at once, but I prefer to type in Microsoft, then move it over here since I'm working with the bots today. So this Microsoft will enable us format our change of ownership after maybe we have finished generating it using the ChatGPT. So I'll now move, I'll paste here by right clicking, I'll paste what I have here. So let's take out this empty space. It doesn't really matter if you have this empty space. And I'll close my quotation. So here I've already instructed it on what to do, and here is a quotation. So once I hit enter, it immediately starts working on it. All right, so let's see what ChatGPT can do for us. All right, okay, okay, this is what ChatGPT came up with. Okay, it says, okay, so I'll just take it that from this point down, it was exact details I entered that it gave me back. Then from here, it was where it later entered each detail. So I also instructed. So I have the Evasan Paul, the previous owner, agreed to transfer ownership of the above mentioned Toyota Camry to to Michael Ward, the new owner for the new owner. Okay, that's the new owner. Then we have for the sum of 300,000. That's for Camry. Okay, on the dates. Now we have the date. Then Michael Ward, confirm that I am purchasing the aforementioned vehicle from Evasan Paul for the agreed upon amount and understand that the ownership transfer is final. All right, it's final. Okay, so here we have signature, previous owner. Okay, here we have the new owner. Okay, and then here we have the witness's name. So here I'm to sign on the date, here is to sign on the date. Okay, then we have the name. All right, so you can see down here it's telling us, please note, fill in the placeholders. That's name, placeholders, name, address, occupation, and phone number with the respective information of the witness. All right, that's just what it wants us to do. So I'd like to go back and instruct ChatGPT to see if we can actually change the format of what it gave me right here. So I'm going to do this right now. I'll tell ChatGPT to do this for me. Okay, I'll now say, so I'll now tell ChatGPT to say, okay, please. Again, I'll do the same thing. I'll say, right, a change of ownership for me with the following details. All right, so I got details. All right, so I've opened. I'll paste the same thing I pasted before. So right here, after I close it, I'll now instruct it after the close quotation. I'll now instruct it rearrange. So this is a new instruction, rearrange it to look more official, if any correction needed, please correct it. Okay, let's now enter to see what it gives us right here. All right, so change of ownership. So I think it still gives us almost the same. So what next to do here is to copy what it gives us here by hitting this button. Let's move to Microsoft Word. We can create a new page down here, then paste it. So we now take out this part. Let's now take out this part, and then let's see what we have on top here. So we have car details, okay, and so on. And the terms of agreement. Terms of agreement, I can just take out this. The amount, okay. So the amount is already here now. So there will be no need to have this amount here. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Okay. How about the owner's information? Okay. Now for the signatures, we can as well create. Here we have signatures. Signatures. Let's take out this asterisk. So it's actually the bold them. The previous owner. So already we know who the previous owner is. Then here we can decide to put this on the same page. So let's do select everything together. So once selected, go to the top here where we have the paragraph section, or the paragraph section. Alright, so we'll go to the top here where we have the paragraph section and hit the line spacing right there, and then remove space after paragraph to make them compacted and enter into one page, or fit into one page. And we go back, take out anywhere you have this asterisk, just swipe them out. We don't want these bullets. We don't want the bullets. Okay, so I'll just take out this in some minutes. Alright, so the next thing to do is now to select the two signatures, select them down, go to our page or layout, apply two columns to it so we can have them aligned to each other this way. Then go again, select these two witnesses. Now we are doing this just to let it fit on one page. Do the same thing, two paragraphs. So we have the witness information. Let's take out this. So this, take this out, and let's bold it and place it in the middle, center. All right, so this, let's bold, let's bold, let's bold. So the address already here. Okay, let's bold this. Then this we have the amount. Let's just apply bold to it and add it up in words. All right, so we can then bold this, also bold this information. Then for here where we have name, we can either just take them out and draw a line by holding down shift and the shift and underscore key. Take out this. So do the same thing for every other item here. So this I think is looking very good. Copy this to this other side. All right, so here we have a complete change of ownership agreement, well placed and signed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up to this point, I would like to congratulate you and thank you for the time, and I believe you've learned one or two, or you have gained value for your time and your data. And I also like to appreciate that you, or ask that you return such favor by